I'm an athletic guy, so I like to compete. When I play basketball, it's the same camaraderie that I feel in the military. I'm from American Samoa. I got in the military right after high school back in 95. In February 2005, I was doing a right sea right missions in Iraq, searching for like any IEDs or any suspicious objects on the road. All I heard was gunshots everywhere. I went down. Next thing I know, I was on the ground bleeding. It took me a while to realize it was not going to be the same as it was. It was a very difficult. Try to figure out how to overcome and adapt the new life I'm facing. The home I'm living in right now, the challenges I have is the stairs. The laundry room is real small. The cabinets, I have to use the step ladder to get the stuff. I have to get the crutches to get into the shower. But the new home, I know they say it's gonna be a new chapter, but for me, it's gonna be a whole new book. Today is one of those moments. It hits me to the core. I can wash my dishes sitting down on a wheelchair.
What? Oh my goodness.
The help of the Home Depot Foundation, it helped us get back. Gotta fight back my tears. Back to ourselves, to living again.
Yes.
I'll have my smile on my face every day, coming home, my home.
Thank you so much.
Being in this house, I don't have anything to worry about. It's just enjoying time with my family and play sports, do what I love.